Tonight, Supreme Court Justice Samuel Alito is flatly rejecting calls by congressional Democrats to recuse himself in cases involving former President Donald Trump. It's all because of two flags seen flying outside his homes. The first was an upside-down American flag seen outside his Virginia residence. The other was an Appeal to Heaven flag, a symbol carried by January 6 rioters. It flew outside the justice's vacation home last summer. CBS's Jan Crawford covers the Supreme Court for us. And Jan, I've looked at this three-page letter from Justice Alito, and more than half a dozen times he blames his wife for the flags.
Well, in this letter to the Democrats, Justice Alito said there is no reason for him to recuse because flying flags was his wife's doing. And Norah, that is a position that this couple has maintained since that first flag was discovered more than 3 years ago. Alito says today that he had nothing to do with flying any flags. And he writes, quote, "I was not even aware of that upside down flag until it was called to my attention. And as soon as I saw it, I asked my wife to take it down. But she refused for several days. For several days she refused, and then she took it down." Now, at the center of this, he says, is a big dispute with a neighbor. As for that Appeal to Heaven flag at their beach house, Justice Alito said neither he or his wife knew that historic flag had any connection with that Stop the Steal movement.
And Jen, just hours after Justice Alito's letter, Donald Trump on Truth Social congratulated Alito for, in his words, showing the intelligence, courage, and guts to refuse stepping aside from making a decision on anything January 6th related. Just to remind everyone, what are the two key cases about January 6th that are before the Supreme Court that we're waiting on?
Well, one, whether or not former President Trump is immune from prosecution for allegedly trying to obstruct the 2020 election. And if he's not immune, what charges can he face? Now, Norah, some see this flag controversy as an effort by Democrats to undermine the legitimacy of the Supreme Court.
Jan Crawford, thank you.